Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, LuvNailsNicole, and today I am back to share with you is a new gel nail lamp that I got that my daughter purchased for me. It is the Super Sun UV LED nail lamp. It says Sun ×5 plus. You can see here. I haven't tried this out yet. You guys know I don't do really gel nails at all. I haven't did a gel polish or gel nail in some years now because I only own 2 gel polishes. The rest are all regular nail polishes, but I do have a few gel lamps. And the couple that I used in the past didn't really hold the gel on well, and I did hear that this Sun gel nail lamp works really well from reviews I've seen in other YouTube videos that I have watched. Yeah, so this one comes with the 4 different time settings. It has the 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and low heat mode 99 seconds. I like that it has this digital display here. My other one did not. It's super lightweight. It's like almost as light like a piece of paper. It's very, very lightweight. This is what it looks like on the inside. The base, this comes off, I believe, so maybe you can clean it. See, it is a little dusty in here. That's what it looks like on the inside, where the lights will come on at. Wiping off the base here. This is the base. So it's super lightweight. And you just put it back on the prongs there. I have it backwards. It came with the adapter plug, and that plugs in right here. So I wanted to test it out to see how well it works. I had to borrow some gel nail polish from my daughter. So I got 2 gel polish colors and a top coat, and I have an Elite 99 base coat. This is from Amazon. And the gel polish I'm going to be testing out is the Beetles gel polish. Let me plug this up. Let me show you guys. I shared this lamp with you guys a while back when I first got it, and I really like it because as you can see, it has a plug on it, so I can just easily plug in my items right here on my nail table, and I like that. So hopefully this is enough, you know, to make this run. I believe it will be, because I plug my my e-file drill, I plug it up in here. So I really like the convenience of that socket beam on the lamp. So it's on, so as soon as you turn it on or plug it up, it turns on. If you guys can see, it's lit up with the all zeros. What I have is the Beetles gel polish soak off UV and LED cured gel polish. These are the 2 colors, 620 and 613, so a purple, like a dark purple, and a green. So I'm going to try both the colors. I'm going to go ahead and try it on my natural little short nails here. The top coat is soak off. And I thought this was matte, but I don't see that it says it. So it may be just a regular top coat. I guess we'll see when I get started. I'm going to go ahead and do the base coat. You do a thin coat of the base coat and cure for 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the base coat. So I applied 1 thin layer of the base coat to my nail. I'm going to go ahead and, you guys can see, place my hand in. I'm going to push the 60-second timer and go ahead and let it cure. And I did file and buff my nails prior, before I used the gel polishes. I did that before I started recording, so they are buffed and filed. So it stopped. I'll go ahead and pull my hand out. So that was 60 seconds. centered. I'm gonna go ahead and do one light top coat of the color. I read on, I think on the Amazon Beetle page, that you roll it back and forth in your hands before use. So, let's see. That's all done. 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next coat. It says do at least 2 to 3 coats of your color and cure each coat 60 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a second. I left these two without the purple so I can use the green. So that was the second coat and the second time underneath the lamp. I see that I'm missing the sides here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a third coat. Hopefully that will be the last one. I'm gonna try to get the sides. That was the third time curing. A little bit messy, y'all, so excuse it. I have not, this is basically my first time doing gel nails on myself, I think, y'all, so bear with me. I've only done it 2 other times, like on my mom, and it wasn't that great, so bear with me here. But that's the third coat. Yep, it's a little messy. I'm gonna have to get it cleaned up. I tried to clean it up prior to putting it under the lamp, so I wasn't sure if it was gonna cure like on my skin or something. Okay, so on the other 2 fingers, I'm gonna try this color. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with 1 coat on each. I hope this, ooh, this looks so bright green. This is probably not gonna match at all. Looks like Halloween. I don't know if I wanna do this color. All right, let's see. Ooh, it's super bright. Ooh, I got it all over my skin. This is how I do with regular nail polish, so yeah. Green color, I did 2 coats, and I have to clean up around the sides, of course. So those are the colors. Both really pretty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do, I was thinking, do I want to do some dots? Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll do a little dot cure on one of the nails with the neon green. I'll do on top of the purple if I can find my, here we go, little palette thing. I cleaned it off with acetone, not thinking, and messed it up. So excuse how crazy it looks. I'm gonna put a drop here. Maybe, I'm wondering, well, let's see. Yeah, these look like straight up Halloween nails. Perfect colors. I guess I'll be doing early Halloween nail art. couple small dots. This is my dotting tool that I got at Dollar Tree, and I love it. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat on, and not on that nail, so that that can cure itself, and then I'll put a top coat on it. Okay, top coat on, cure another 60 seconds, and we'll be done with this hand. So I'm going to show you guys. I don't know why, y'all. Is it supposed to burn? Am I putting it under there too far? That's like the second time I felt a burning sensation on the nail. So I'm all done. I did the top coat and I let it cure. And when I did that first top coat, I let the dots cure on its own. After that, I put one coat over the dots and I let that cure. So this hand seems to be all done. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the next hand. And probably when I'm done, I'll get all this, the edges cleaned up. It seems to be coming off fairly easily, so I was a little worried about it being super hard. But it's peeling right off. And then I was also using my needle nose tweezers to like grab it, get it off of the sides, so that's working well. But so far that's what it looks like. Shiny. I'm gonna go ahead, start on this hand. I'm gonna base coat, cure, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the colors on. I think I'm going to take my ring off because I don't know why it burnt like that. I don't know if it's because I was wearing rings or what. Like I said, y'all comment and let me know if that's like something that can happen, if it is not normal to feel that burning. I only felt it on not my hands, but like the fingernails with the polish on it. I felt a little slight burn, and it didn't last the whole time. I just pulled my hand out, put it back in, and it was fine. But that was like the second or third time that it happened. So yeah. Okay, my tan line from my ring. Oh my god. Alright, gonna go ahead and cure this hand, and I'm gonna time lapse this hand for y'all, and I will be back when done. Guys, so I'm all done. I did my left hand. What I'm doing now is just applying my cuticle oil around my fingers, cuticle butter. So I would say so far the lamp is really good. It did cure the polish great in the time that it was supposed to. The only fallback I have is just that burning sensation, which is why I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell because I think I time-lapsed it, but a couple of times when I went to cure and I pressed the 60 seconds, I let it go a little bit, before I put my hand under there, because I could tell in the beginning the heat was very strong. So I just tried to let it run a little bit, and then stuck my hand under there, and then just did it an extra couple seconds after that, since I missed out on, you know, a few of the 60 seconds. So, but it worked fine. It still cured and dried during it that way also. So yeah, I was just putting on my cuticle butter that I love, and I still have to clean up around the sides, but my nails were really dry since I had filed and buffed them beforehand. They were really dry up here. Yeah, that is it. I did this on purpose. I just wanted it to look a little different on both hands, but I do like the colors. Like I said, perfect Halloween colors, I think. I love this neon green. Yep, this is my new Sun UV LED gel nail lamp, and hopefully I will be getting some more gel polishes that I could test out in this lamp for you guys. I would like to know if there is a difference of me using a different brand, if I will still feel that little burning sensation. It wasn't terrible. It didn't even last like a full second, or maybe a second, you know, not too bad. But I'd like to know if it's the polish, or if it's the lamp. Like I said, if you guys have experienced that, comment and let me know. Any tips you guys can give me on doing the gel polish, do let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.